Good evening, Colonial Daddy. I'm taking a break from my tool cabinet and I've been working on some of my iron planes. I just got done restoring this one. This is the last one I bought, Miller Falls, to complete some of my Miller Fall collection, the first phase. I like Miller Falls. A new paint job, repolish. I just need to redo the edge. This one I'm going to start first of the week. I just found it a while back. I have it in one of my earlier videos. This one was my first one. It's going to get restored too. This was one I just did. I've been working on this week. Has damage here, but whenever I redo the bottom, hopefully that'll clean that up a little bit. I've already put some pieces together for sake of time because we only have 3 minutes. So, if the video cut short in the process, I apologize. I'm not used to doing things in a very quick manner. Typically, I move pretty slow because otherwise I make mistakes whenever I'm moving faster or whenever I'm trying to be in a hurry. But I guess that's just the way it is. So that piece, to retrue that later, it has a big nick in it. We'll worry about that later. I want to set that. This in. Handle. There she goes. And that screw goes on that one. See, I'm in a hurry. If I take my time, I can do it with my eyes closed, but, you know, oh well. That normally goes like that. Pushing that up. Quarter turn. There she is. Now I'll put the other 2 screws in. I have to put a screw there.